Hey everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to blur a card plate number in CapCut on PC. Once you imported your video clip that you're going to edit, drag the clip here and drag the other one at the top. Now click on the overlay video and click effects. Search for blur and drag it on the overlay clip. Click on the basic and adjust the blur in your preference. Now we want to focus the blur only on the car plate. To do that, click on the mask option. Add mask. Click on the rectangle mask and adjust it. Now once we adjust the mask on the car plate, we need to make sure that the mask stays over the plate. To do that, add keyframes to adjust the mask's position as the video plays. Just drag it down and click this diamond button to add keyframe. Adjust this again, add keyframe again, adjust the clip, and we just need to do that again and again to make sure that the car plate number is blurred. Once everything is in place, hit the play and preview the video to make sure the blur follows the car plate throughout the screen. Finally, when you're happy with the result, click on Export at the top right corner, choose your settings, and save your video to your PC. And that's it. You've successfully blurred a car plate number in CapCut. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more editing tips. Thank you for watching.